Hi Portland renters, today we're at 8807 Southwest 21st Avenue in Portland, Oregon. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It's 2 levels, has a detached garage as you can see there. And we're gonna head on in. So this is the side door, and walking through the side door you'll see the kitchen, the large island, gas stove, dishwasher there, refrigerator, microwave, sink that overlooks the front yard. As we walk in, you see the dining room here. Really great size of the dining room here. And then you have on the main level of the home, the living room, which is massive, as you can see here. Fireplace there. There's a lot of natural lighting that comes in through these windows. It's really beautiful, as you can see. So living room, dining room, kitchen. And as we wrap around, we'll head to the first bedroom. So we have first bedroom here. This one has the hardwoods. It has a walk-in closet as well. So as you can see there, and then for your shoes, hanging racks there. This is the bedroom. This one faces the backyard. Little storage areas here. There's a lot of storage in this home. Another coat closet there. And then we have the first bathroom. Double sinks, tub there. And then you have a standing shower as well. And then we'll head to the second bedroom. And this one has carpet, also faces the rear. Really great home. Also has a walk-in closet. Storage there, all around, as you can see here. And then we're gonna head downstairs. So this is the second living area. And then it also has another additional bedroom. So this living area is massive. As you can see, you have a secondary fireplace there. Fireplace there. Backyard. And this kind of gives you perspective as to how large this room actually is. It's really nice. And then we have the third bedroom, I apologize, here. This one also has carpet. And then you do have a walk-in closet as well. So all 3 bedrooms have walk-in closets with some sort of built shelving into them, which is great. And then this is the bedroom here. Really great space. And then the laundry room and second bathroom are downstairs. So the laundry room is really big. Plenty of cabinet space, counter space. You have drawers, cabinets all over. Same thing there. The washer dryer hookups are there. And then let's head to the second bathroom. So this one, the storage there, here. And then you have the stand-up shower there. And as we head into the backyard, let's see. We have this little area here. Trees. What's really great about this home is it's very easy to get to the freeway, which is awesome. The location is amazing. So So then you have storage shed there, so you can see. And then this wraps to the front yard there. And this is the backyard. So we can head up the steps to go to the front of the home. So everything kind of just wraps in this property, which is really awesome. And that's the side door that we came in through. Garage. This is the street view here. Front yard. I'm gonna give you full perspective of this home, so you can see. And that is 8807 Southwest 21st Avenue in Portland, Oregon.